No matter what the weather outside is, in this shop, it's always spring. This spring and stamping guru gets your attention with their phenomenal service. But as soon as you see the huge amount of capabilities under one roof, you'll soon be letting them do your sheet metal, laser, CNC machining, assembly, and even powder coating and paint. Need our, I guess I call him your everything guru. This is Southern Spring and Stamping and more. In fact, meet Brad Moore.
We're the first spring manufacturer in Florida, founded in 1957. Hey, how you doing? Welcome. I know it looks like we're at a high-end resort here. That's the way we treat you at Southern Spring and Stamping.
So for many years, our core competency was compression springs and wire forms. We can do it from prototype all the way through high production. We specialize in smaller wire, tighter tolerance type, both compression springs and wire forms. We're willing to work with it. We can assist with design. We have lots of capabilities to help you get exactly what you're looking for.
In our wire department, we also offer extension springs, torsion springs, and wire forms. This is a magazine clip for the gun industry, double torsion spring, wire form. We can go up to 1/4 inch in wire diameter, and we can go down to 004, which is about half the thickness of your hair.
The other machine, which one can go to up to 187 wire. They're gonna make large springs, magazine springs for guns and stuff like that. So both those springs are actually used for parachute. And then you got, springs which run are just the regular.
Over here, this equipment here is our coilers. So they're called simplexes. They run over 99% efficient as far as the parts that they make. As they run, they take a picture of every part that they make and self-adjust their own tolerances. On the machine here, this is a high-speed camera, and you can see on the screen it's taking a picture of every single part, and that yellow line will come down and narrow down inside of the 2 red lines. Right now, this part is running 92% efficient. The longer it runs, it will get more up to that 99% efficiency. Now, at this point, this is not a spring. This still has to be stress relieved in the oven.
After coiling, you want to stress relieve the spring so it holds, the load and the properties of the spring.
So when you push it down, it will actually go back to where it needs to.
The heating, what it does, it do 2 things. Stress relieve the spring. Say like for music wire, you're gonna heat at 500 degrees for half hour to up to 1 hour. And then you got 17.7 stainless steel, which one will require 900 degrees for 1 hour.
When they're stress relieved with the heat, some of it retracts, some of it moves forward, and you have to have that calculation when it comes off of the machine before it goes into the oven.
Help us continue to support American manufacturing. Please like and subscribe.
So this is a typical compression spring off of one of our coilers. As we run this, we're going directly into an oven, but we're also measuring both the OD and the length of it. That will continually adjust as it runs. So if we can put all of these things together, we can streamline it, control product quality, and have better results for less money. If you're in engineering or purchasing, no matter the weather, it's always springtime here.
A lot of springs have to sit flat in their application, and that's what this entire department does here.
So we're grinding the compression springs top and bottom.
This is called Dorns. The Dorns are the high-end, high tolerance, can run themselves, can load and unload themselves if need be.
On those machines, we can actually do squareness less than 1 degree.
As these wheels go around, they can get out of balance. What will happen is the machine will shut itself down and what's called dress the wheel. It will flatten the wheel back out to, again, give you a higher tolerance, higher precision spring in the end.
So we do have the capability of shop peening. Not all springs need shop peen, but if you need that done, we can do that as well.
Shop peening, what it does 2 things. Relieve the stress from the spring and make the spring so it's not sharp.
And adds longer life to a compression spring.
Now, I know our name can be tricky. A lot of people stop at Southern Spring and think all we do is make springs.
Remember, we're not just springs. So lots of times we have customers that we've done business with for a long time that use us for just springs or just stampings. When they find out about our added capabilities, that opens a lot of doors and opens a lot of eyes.
Southern Spring and Stamping, our place does look like a resort, but that's because that's the way we want to treat you. We want you to feel like you can talk to us. We want you to have that resort experience where you're getting the best quality part and the best quality service at the same time. Because the less pain you have with your supplier, the better off you are.
Come and see a full video tour of our factory at notjustsprings.com.